So, next topic is how to write or what is the format of a research paper. So, format is very simple and every publisher demands that particular format. So, what in that particular format, the first was the abstract. The abstract is basically a concise part of your entire research paper, which tells you about what is the topic, what are the aim and objective, what are the results that you're going to interpret after that research paper, and the keywords. So like this is a simple abstract, and the keywords are the words that are majorly used in that study again and again. Like आप particular study में again and again अगर जो कोई एक word use कर रहे हैं, that is basically a keyword. So this is what a format is. Next up, in that particular format, this is what an abstract is. Next up is the introduction, in which what you are introducing in that particular research and what you are going to use in that particular research, and which was proven earlier also, why we have chosen this topic also. This all includes in the introduction. Next up is the materials and methods, what all materials you are using, and it includes the qualitative method, the quantitative, and others, as well as the case histories. What all materials you are using in order to make sure that your research is fine or your research paper is good, and what all materials you are using, and that materials and methods you are using that. Next up is the results. As I said, next up is the discussion. In the discussion there is an argument, like everything has its pros and its cons. उसकी अच्छाइयाँ भी हैं, उसकी बुराइयाँ भी हैं. So you are discussing that कि why your research paper is better and why your results are in this way. So like if it is in a positive way, so you can take a numbers in a positive, positive numbers, you can take that more and use it in the discussion and prove your point. Basically you are proving your point that why your research is right. So in that particular point, like in that discussion part, there is an argument that was going on. So to prove your point, that is basically an discussion. Next up is the conclusion. Conclusion is just a specified thing, that entire research or the entire result specified in that conclusion, and it will not more than 10 lines. So conclusion basically is a nichod of your entire research paper, and with that conclusion, if someone reads, so there should have been a knowledge ki okay, this was done and this was the result. So conclude that in a particular manner. This is the form.